Onions are common kitchen spice which possess so many health benefits. Onions might bring on tears, but the many health benefits are worth every single teardrop. This vegetable increases the health value of many foods when added to them. Flavonoids in onions is found in the outer layer, so peel off as little of the fleshy, edible portion as possible when removing the onion's outermost paper layer. Raw onions give the most health benefits. Health benefits of onion skin care. Onions are often mixed with other natural ingredients such as honey and olive oil to treat skin conditions such as acne. Anti-cancer. The antioxidants in onions protects against cancer by reducing the DNA damage in cells caused by free radicals. Regular intake of onions reduces your risk of different cancer including colorectal cancer, laryngeal cancer, and ovarian. Onions also contain quercetin, which is good in preventing cancer. Oral health. Onions kill pathogenic bacteria in the mouth and is a good home remedy for toothache and other oral infections. It also reduces your risk of getting oral and esophageal cancers. Cardiovascular benefit. Here are some of the reasons onions are good for your heart. Thins blood, lowers total blood cholesterol, free the blood of clots, lowers blood pressure, boost level of good cholesterol, reduces triglycerides level, detoxification. Onions contain sulfur, containing amino acids that have great health benefits. These compounds, specifically methionine and cysteine, detoxify your body from heavy metals. Vitamin C, also found in onions, is great for detoxifying your body from heavy metals such as lead, arsenic and cadmium. Lowers blood sugar. Chromium, found in onions, is a mineral that helps cells respond to insulin, and therefore assists with blood glucose control. The vegetable also contains allyl propyl disulfide, APDS, which harnesses blood sugar lowering effects. Stop bleeding. Onion is a thickening agent. This property gives it the ability to stop nosebleeds. Respiratory diseases. Onions help with respiratory diseases like asthma. It inhibits the production of compounds that cause the bronchial muscle to spasm and relaxes bronchial muscle. Digestive disorders. This vegetable has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It reduces stomach acids, which in turn help to prevent heartburn. It also scavenges free radicals, thereby minimizes the risk of gastric ulcer. Bone health. Onions increases bone density. This is especially helpful for women who are undergoing menopause and experiencing bone loss. Its high sulfur content provides direct benefit to connective tissues, since most connective tissues require sulfur for their formation. Antimicrobial properties. Sulfides and thiosulfates in onions help to prevent illnesses such as E. coli, Bacillus subtilis and Salmonella. Upper respiratory infection. Onions loosen mucus, clears nasal passages and makes breathing easier. Its juice is also used to treat sore throat and cough. Earache and ear infections. Its extract is used to treat ear infection. Add a few drops of onion extract in deep ear to heal earwax or ear infection. This is one of the health benefits of onions. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.